My name's Brent Hermanison, and I'm the Southern Rockies sales rep for Loomis Fly. Before that, I actually worked and managed this shop here, Golden Fly Shop. Our most ideal front range fly rod is the NRX Plus 595. We kind of built that rod with Cheeseman Canyon deckers in mind. You know, if you're hiking into the canyon, you don't really want to carry two rods. We hate that. We set a rod down to fish a run and then walk down to the next run and realize your other rod's laying 100 yards up the river. It's never any fun. The length is great when it comes to nymphing. High sticking across the seam. It makes you have to mend less. You can get a much better drift a lot easier. Again, that tip is just soft enough to be able to throw dry flies when that hatch comes off, but plenty of power in the butt section when you want to punch a roll cast out there pretty far. You know, as you move into those saltwater tapers, we start at the 7-weight NRX Plus that begins our saltwater line, and the tapers do get a lot stiffer there. And they're ready to get you through the wind, but it's still an accessible power that, you know, if you're not 100% dialed in, you can still make a good cast. Golden Fly Shop, you guys have pretty much the entire line covered. For the Euro nymphing guys, right now, the 10-foot 4-weight in the NRX Plus is going to be your go-to from the Loomis line. It's a really responsive 10-footer that's actually super fun to cast overhand as well, which you don't get all that often in a 10-foot rod. It's not the end of the world if a dry fly hatch comes off and you need to cut off and throw, you know, nice tight overhand loops. The Asquith is our flagship model. It has the proprietary Spiral X technology, which we get from Shimano in Japan. For those of you that don't know, Shimano does own Loomis. Loomis still makes all the rods and does all that stuff internal to Loomis, but it does give us access to new materials and different rod makeups. Basically, we get a super thin diameter and super light blank that also has the same strength. It's actually a little bit more strength than your traditional makeup of a rod. Come over here to the Golden Fly Shop and cast one. They are amazing fishing tools, super fun to cast, amazingly light in the hand. It's a really fun tool as well.